Yeah, what's going on, YouTube? Welcome to my channel. Today we're going to do a little e-waste. A Dell Intel Core 17. Manufacturer dates 2016. 17 years old. Let's get to it. Don't know much about e-waste. Get some more screws, try to fill my 5-gallon bucket up. This has some mail. Some plastic. Any y'all e-waste people know what's in there? I usually just grab the copper. Then I'm done with it. That's why I say I don't know much about my e-waste. Rather than getting the metal. Try to get this board out. Only thing I would get, copper, 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 all this other stuff we don't know about, to be honest. And all these cords, more metal. don't know if y'all can see that good. Any e-waste scrappers? Anything good on there? Because I usually just toss the boards because I don't know if the scrapyard takes them or not. I don't know about that fan. Fan's dirty. So I get that little piece of metal off. Anything good on the board? Because all I look for is copper. Get the cords and stuff. That's the way it's going to go to the scrapyard. So if you ask me if it's worth me doing e-waste scrap, probably not. I'm more of a metal guy. I try to watch Silver Scorpion, Ewaste Mike, Irish Springs, I think that's his name, not for sure, and Shark Scrapper. Don't quite understand it. If you like the content, like, subscribe, keep scrapping, y'all. Peace out.